years. Chief Meteorologist Cameron Moreland.
I wish today's weather would have landed over the weekend.
I know. On Saturday and Sunday, you want some summer-like conditions. You want to be able to get out and enjoy the sunshine and warm weather. We'll get a couple weekends like that this summer for sure.
At least we didn't have this heat, though, today for the Bell and Run.
Yeah, I know, exactly. That is the one positive, no doubt about it. And tomorrow is going to be just like today as far as temperatures are concerned. The one difference is the humidity is going to zip up with dew points close to 70. A little bit cooler Wednesday and Thursday, 80s Friday and Saturday, and then cooler again Sunday and Monday. Today so far, one of the warmest days of the year. 89 degrees in Watoma for a high, 86 in Clintonville, the high temperature in Green Bay, Appleton, and Oshkosh, 85 degrees. And away from Lake Michigan right now, we are looking at temperatures that are still mainly in the lower to mid 80s. 84 degrees in Appleton, 84 in Green Bay. You can see some high clouds now streaming in from the west. Those are the tops of some big thunderstorms developing across Iowa, Minnesota, Nebraska, and South Dakota. Those thunderstorms are being kicked off by this stationary front, and this stationary front is going to be our main weather maker for the rest of the week. It is overall stationary, but it's going to be kind of wobbling north and south as we move through the week and into the weekend. Where it sets up during the day will play a major role in how warm we get and whether or not we see any thunderstorms. Now, along that stationary front, all week long, we're going to have clusters of thunderstorms moving across the upper Midwest. Here's a cluster of thunderstorms right now across Minnesota and Iowa. As we take a look at the severe weather associated with that thunderstorm complex, you can see we've got a tornado watch in western Wisconsin. That tornado watch then goes all the way back into Nebraska. We have several severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings right now across Minnesota down into Iowa. You can see this line of thunderstorms here really coming together across south central Minnesota and northwestern Iowa. Right now, it looks like this squall line is going to track east-southeast into the southern part of Wisconsin. That's where the brunt of the severe weather is going to be later on this evening into tonight. But we could see that extend north just a little bit, and that's why there is a slight risk for severe weather this evening and later on tonight across the NBC 26 viewing area. Could still be looking at maybe some lingering thunderstorms tomorrow morning. Then we'll break into a decent amount of sunshine as we head into the afternoon. There is a slight risk for severe weather across the area once again tomorrow. It looks like the best chance for that would be once again tomorrow night into Wednesday morning. These thunderstorms could produce heavy rain. 1 to 2 inches is possible over the next couple of days. Additional totals beyond that are likely as we head towards the weekend. Of course, any thunderstorm complex that moves across the area will have the potential to produce severe weather, and all types of severe weather are possible. And so far this season, we have had very little severe weather. In fact, all the way through mid-June, only 8 warnings have been issued. That is way below normal. So tonight, thunderstorms developing late, lows in the mid-60s. Tomorrow, sun, clouds, a chance for a storm. Warm and humid, high temperatures in the mid to upper 80s. If you're heading to watch the Packers practice at 11:30, decreasing clouds, warm and humid, right around 80. And then on and off showers and thunderstorms Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. That front kind of wobbling north and south. That's why the temperatures fluctuate a little bit. It finally heads south by Sunday. And then it'll start to warm up again as it moves north towards next week with some sunshine and highs getting back up into the 80s. This week could be active. So far, very little severe weather across Wisconsin this year. No tornadoes yet. We'll have to see if that changes this week.
All right, you might have your work cut out for you, Cameron.
Could be, yeah.
All right, thank you. Still ahead on NBC 26.